Hey guys, Mr. Goliath here. We're doing the tips and tricks as you're getting ready for your last project here. All the requirements are here, the multiple colors, multiple layers, background, minimum 15 frames, at least 3 frames per second, at least 2 objects moving simultaneously, and you want to tell a story. All the different topics are here. Just notice number 7 it could be just about anything, guys. So as long as you're telling some type of a story, there's some samples down here. So a couple tips for today. One, the more detail you want with yours, the greater the size. So if I do like 500 by 500 and I select this, it's just going to let me, especially let's say I'm using the straight tool and holding down shift, I can make more fine lines, and it won't look as quite piskelated, but you get the idea. So make sure you're logged in as well so you can save yours. Another thing that we didn't cover in the last one, if I was to take an object and then use the paint bucket, if I click inside it, it'll just fill that. Now if I wanted a background, I can still get a different background color by doing something like that. So that's something to be aware of. All 3 of these are just selection tools. They're the same like lasso tools that we used with photo editing. So those are options as well. Again, make sure you're labeling things. I would not have objects on top of my background. I would do one where the red would be my background, my circle or whatever I'm making would be the next one. A couple other things. Let's say this is my object. I can center it by just clicking this tool down here. It brings it right to the center. I could turn directions. It doesn't work as good with this one. Let's say I have a different object. Alright, so here's my terrible quick drawing, but if I click this, see how it reverses it and now facing the other way, which can be super helpful. So make sure we are using the duplicate frame right here so I can duplicate. It's the same exact one. Maybe I was going to have him jump. So he starts spinning. I can use the hand tool. Maybe I'm going to move him up over here. I can duplicate again. Twist him again. Move him up over like this. Again, duplicate. And do one last one. Or actually, I guess I'll do 2 more. So it comes like this. Duplicate. And hopefully, I would put the onion skins and line it back up, but you get the idea. That's another useful one for switching around. So there's a few more tools for you to use today. Remember at the end, make sure you're saving this, and when you save, you want to go to gallery. So if I'm over here in mine now, it'll give me that option, save to gallery. So those are my best tips and tricks for today. Don't forget, you can just, as you duplicate, use the eraser tool for a layer and you can alter it and you're not drawing too much. All right, good luck.